Hello, the Heistmasters. Hello, my good people. Welcome again to another amazing video. Welcome again to the Heistfx Academy. Yeah. So today I want to respond to the most frequently asked question in my DMs. Which broker are you using? How do you raise $1 to $1,000? So today I don't want to be selfish as always. Yeah. I usually give you my analysis for how I enter the trade, how I do it. But the bad thing about my trading style is I usually rush. Yeah. I usually do quick scalps from this to that, from this to that, and making profits and closing them instant. Yeah. So most of you and most of the beginner traders cannot be in a position to understand what I've done. Yeah. Now this time round, I want to do this thing with Haste Master, step by step guide, so that even if you are a beginner trader, you can benefit from these valuable videos by the Haste Master in the Heistfx Academy. Yeah? So I'm first going to respond to the most asked question. Which broker are you using? What leverage are you using? Yeah. So let me give you an additional information. If you want to flip $1 account, you need high leverage. Yeah, for example, I usually use leverage 1:3,000. It means I have high purchasing power with my dollar account. That is why I'm even allowed to open a position even trading in gold. Yeah, because some of the brokers, when you're using low leverage, for example, leverage 1:500, you cannot be allowed to open a trade even with $5. Yeah, because your leverage is so small. Yeah, so with high leverage you have high purchasing power in the market. Yeah, you are given high purchasing power. Yeah, so for example, if you want to trade $1 account, that is why I usually go for high leverage. Yeah, and I usually tell you, my people, leverage is a double-edged sword. You can make quick money in a second, and as well you can also lose a lot of money in a second. Yeah, so you only need to use high leverage if you have understood what you are doing in the market. Yeah. So the broker that I use, I'm going to help you create an account first in this challenge, because I've told you this time round I'm making a series step by step. I'm not going to rush it in one day. No, I'll take time. Maybe I can take even 3 days. Yeah. Now to open the account with the broker that I'm using, my link is always in this my YouTube channel. Yeah. Basically, go to my YouTube channel, type Heistfx Academy, and you can go to any of my videos. For example, this I flipped this $1 to 500. The other one I flipped this 0.8, yeah, to 1,000. Yeah. Now after learning making an account from this broker here, you can watch my videos and practice and practice and practice a lot. Yeah. Now for those from TikTok, I've already given you how to find this link so that you can open the account. Yeah, so in any of my videos, this link is on my description there. Yeah, now if you want to sign into the broker that I usually use, just click that link there and you'll head to creating to an area where you are going to create an account. Yeah, so a disclaimer: in some of other countries, maybe the other countries, you may find this broker restricted. You can as well find a broker of your choice with the same leverage. Yeah, but for me, I usually use this one. Yeah, and when you are going to use that link there, of course you're going to be given a 50% deposit bonus. Yeah, now you're going to create an account and your country of residence. You are just going to type your country of residence from that area there. Yeah, so for example, if your country is restricted, you'll not find it there. Yeah, and then after putting your country, you're going to put your email there and stuff, and then the basic account creation. Yeah, so you should be equipped with your identification card and then your proof of address. Yeah, so the address you're going to place when you are putting your personal information should be the same address in your proof of address. For example, in Kenya, the proof of address that we usually use is bank statement, your KRA pin, and your KRA pin should be not more than 6 months. Yeah, it should be less than 6 months. Yeah, so this is now I'm guiding you on the things that you need. You can't just flip a dollar account using any broker or any other leverage. Yeah, you need high leverage. Yeah, so you're going to put your identification there, or you can use your driving license, your passport, your national ID, all those things. And then your proof of address is the one that you have written in your document areas there. Yeah, now after adding them, yeah, you will it will take some seconds to load, yeah, as every other thing does, yeah, with the internet. And then it will bring you to this personal area here, yeah, where you are going to now click on complete verification. Yeah, now you have opened the account but you have not completed your verification. Yeah, so in the complete verification there, you are going to click there, and then after loading, after now loading, you are going to put your personal information. Yeah, so remember, the personal information you are going to use is the one in your identifications, and most of your proof of address also bear your real name. Yeah, so the first name and the last name you're going to put there, make sure they are your original names there. And after you have finished filling all those things here, and then you have your tax identification number. Yeah, now that is a KRA for the Kenya people, and every country I believe it has. Yeah, and then now you're going to place your gender there. Yeah, now after you have done all those things there, now your account is going to be now ready for doing the other verifications there. You're going to do them each and everything. Now I'm going to log into mine so that now I can now show you on the deposit side how you're going to receive the 50% deposit bonus, and now how you're going to deposit now, ready for the challenge. Yeah, okay, so I have skipped the basic things. After you have put your all those things there, you're going to the deposit icon. Yeah, and then you're going to put your the method of depositing. For example, in my country I can use direct M-Pesa. Yeah, in other countries you can use the crypto, you can use bank transfer, all those things. Yeah, now for example, if you want to deposit $100, you've seen you're going to activate your receive your bonus, and you're going to be given $50 as a welcome bonus, as a first deposit, yeah, in your trading account. Yeah, so the bonus you are going to be given there, when you make profits, you can withdraw the profits or open an additional challenge account so that you can transfer the profits to that account so that you can challenge yourself in them. Yeah, because sometimes you cannot challenge yourself with money that you are not able or you are not willing to lose. Yeah, that is why I'm confident, and that is why I over risk, because I'm only risking $1 and I'm up like $500. Yeah, so I only have $1 to my name. Yeah, so the others are just numbers in the screen. They will make sense once I withdraw them to my bank account or to my M-Pesa. Yeah, so that is why I usually risk high. Yeah, now once you have your details there, you're going to press on deposit, and your details are going to come there, and you'll now receive a notification in your phone to either place your M-Pesa pin or according to your method of transfer. Yeah, so that is how you're going to create an account and deposit your money in the account. Yeah, so I've taken you to the first basic thing, how to create an account. If you want the same market conditions as mine, if you want to enjoy the same conditions as mine and the broker that I'm using with high leverage. Yeah, so in the side of leverage, we're now opening a trading account. You are going to place leverage 1:3,000. Yeah, so it is as simple as that. So hopefully this video has been helpful for you, and today is on a weekend, so the markets are closed. I don't want to go deep into analysis now. This is the first episode, this is the first phase. It is a cool one, so I'm introducing this, and then when the markets are going to open on a Monday or in a Sunday, now I'm going to make another video explaining, making it cool video. Remember, I'm not going this time to rush. We are going to do it systematically. That is why I've started first by creating this account, because most of you people ask, which broker are you using, which broker are you using, what leverage are you using? Now I've told you. Yeah, So it is as simple as that. Yeah, so make sure in this weekend, create an account, make sure it is verified, and deposit. Yeah, use that link, get the 50% deposit, welcome bonus, and everything else will be smooth. Yeah. So they call me Dinox Tunji Khalifa Tamaramara Govika Shiameko Junior Panditing Chief Inspector Bro. Hey, star, master hapo hivi, mana baddest global. So let us meet in the next video.